Today we're going to be making a new video for our channel. So this guy doesn't know much about Beyblade.
Hi.
So, his name is Adrijo, by the way. Give us a quick introduction about yourself.
Hi.
Nobody cares. Okay, whatever. So here's a basket of parts, and to make it more challenging, there are lots of other things inside, like mint boxes.
Or whatever this is.
Don't touch my clay Beyblade.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. So, let's start by pushing him into the room. Friendly push! Okay, While he's in the room, I'm going to explain another combo, another one we didn't talk about. This one is a new combo. It's a defense type. Actually, it's a defense type and an attack type. It's called Shield Knight. You might be wondering, isn't that Eclipse Genesis? But no, it's not. I changed the disc.
Why is there a pencil in this?
Don't listen to him. Yeah, so we changed that and it's a defense type, but it can change types. Right now it's a defense type. It uses these annoying. So it uses these to block attacks, and when it uses it right, it can also use it to attack. But on the contrary, it can also change if you push it back. It's an attack type with much more blades ready to cut. And that's the end of the explanation.
There's a Pokemon coin in it.
Okay, whatever. Time's up!
Okay, I already made mine.
Okay, so now this dude is ready. And what did you create?
I created a Beyblade. I'm going to call it, for no reason, Blizzard King, because it's like really white, so yeah.
I said no explanations.
Okay, there.
Okay, so let me take a look at this. So by far it looks like, from what I know, stamina or attack. Mostly attack type. Yeah, this is definitely an attack type. Yeah, so King Blizzard is an attack type and nothing special about it. Nobody cares. These two will appear in our other videos. In new seasons, we made an entire season about 8 claws. Nothing about that is important. I don't think we're going to do any more episodes on 8 claws. And we're not going to be launching these because the launcher we have right now is broken. So that's sad. So bye-bye.
Sad like my mom!
Oh we might want to play basketball with these.